Right, what we have here is a Renault Kangoo key, also the same in style as a Renault Clio key. This one is not working. If we press the button, there's a little light there, should light up red. Not working. So the battery's gone. So looking at the key body, this side here, the flat side, seems to be connected to the key. Renault have unhelpfully put a arrow on it, so you would imagine you've got to slide that somehow that way, but this is not the case. Like I say, this side is connected to the key. It's the other side that needs to come off, the side with the button. So what we need to do is push that side the opposite way to the arrow. Now, me having clumsy fingers that don't work very well, I find that a struggle. So the knack is, get a small screwdriver, put it through the keyring loop, this side, and then just apply a little bit of pressure, and there we go. That's released it. Like I say, clumsy fingers, there we go. Opened it up. The side with the arrow is fixed to the key, that's going nowhere. So we'll just take out the old battery. There we go. A replacement one here, which is a CR1220 3 volt, which is quite hard to get hold of in my town. There we go. So it just clicks into place. Be careful, I'll show you on the old one. Don't touch the underside with your fingers, because the moisture and the salt in your fingers drains the battery. So avoid touching that side when you're putting your new battery in. So there we go. So we've just put it all back together. That's quite a tight fit. There we have it, all back together, and there we have the little red light. So that is going to work, and that's it. So the knack is, don't struggle, use a little screwdriver in the handle, it'll click it open. Thank you for watching.